Hi, my name is Mike, and I'm going to teach you how to make fast, easy TikTok videos with subtitles. So let's go. So the first thing you have to do is have the TikTok app on your phone. But I assume you're already in TikTok, and now we're going to create a video. So you want to open the app, and you're going to click on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. And there you see that you have the option for 15 seconds or 60 seconds. I want to make mine 60 seconds, so I'll click on that. And now we're ready to record. And you can click and hold on the record button or just click once and it will record freely. So let's do that. We click on the record button. Now you record whatever you want, you say the things you want, and when you're finished, you click on the same button to stop. And there you have your video. If you like it, you can click on the checkbox. If you don't like it, you can click on the delete button and start over. But we like this video, so we're going to click on the checkbox. And I like to use a timer. So on the right side of the screen, there's a little button that says timer. Okay, and I have it set here. You can see it says 3 seconds, and we're going to start the countdown. And then we go to the next screen where we have other options. And now we want to add text. So I'm going to click on the text box, and here what we do is we simply voice record the text. Okay, to put in the subtitles, we're going to click on the microphone, and we simply speak, say whatever we want to create the text. Then when you finish speaking, you can adjust the text. You can change the color. For example, if I want black, and I want to highlight it, and so I click on the highlight button. Then you create your next subtitles, following the same format. You click on the little icon for text, and then you record. This is the second part of the subtitles. Then you can adjust where the titles are on the screen, and we want to put them in chronological order. So when you're finished making all of your subtitles, then you can set the duration of each one. So we click on the title and we go to set duration. And then we can drag the red bar at the bottom forwards and backwards for when we want the subtitle to appear and disappear. And then we can also place it on the screen. So we're just going to put it here on the screen like that. And then we go to the next one. And all you have to do for that is just click on the subtitle. And now we're operating with that one. And you do the same thing. Drag it to where you want, adjust the time, and you do that with each subtitle. You go through, click, drag, place, set the duration, and you're done. Oh wait, one other thing. I want to use 2 different types of subtitles in my dialogues. And so for the other type, I'm going to make a text, and then I choose red, and I'm going to click twice on this button for the style, and then it gives me everything in a box. Also, you have this white line that's a scroll bar, so you can go back and forth and watch it within this window. And then when you're done, you simply click on the done button, and it will take you to your publish page. And that is where you want to put in your hashtags. For example, I like to put in English and learn, maybe also in Spanish, aprende, inglés, and class. Well, that's it. I hope you found this video useful. And if you liked it, please click on that beautiful like button down there. And, just right there. Do you not see it? It's right. It's right. Oh, is it over there? Or is it, where, you really don't see it? You really don't? Okay, well, forget it. Well, I hope this video was useful for you, and see you on TikTok. Bye-bye.